How to turn off message delivered tick marks on WhatsApp. Unfortunately, it is not possible to turn off the message delivered tick marks on WhatsApp. The double gray tick marks indicate that your message has been successfully delivered to the recipient's device. These tick marks cannot be disabled or hidden within the app settings. However, it is worth noting that WhatsApp provides an option to disable the read receipts feature, which shows the blue tick marks when the recipient has read your message. By turning off read receipts, you can prevent others from knowing if you have read their messages. All your direct messages will just show a single gray check mark whether the message is seen or not. The mark will never turn into a double blue check mark. Please keep in mind that disabling read receipts will also prevent you from seeing when others have read your messages. Also, the disabling of read receipts in group chats is not possible. It will only work on direct messages. So to turn this off, go to the settings tab of WhatsApp, go to privacy, and in here just scroll down until you see read receipt and make sure to turn off the toggle for this and it will now be turned off. So that is how to turn off message delivered tick marks on WhatsApp. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.